Cloud gaming is rapidly reshaping the entertainment industry, transforming the way people play video games and interact with other forms of media. By utilizing advanced cloud computing technologies, this innovation allows gamers to enjoy high-quality titles without requiring expensive hardware. Games are streamed directly to devices via the internet, much like how we consume movies and TV shows on streaming platforms. This video explores whether cloud gaming is truly the future of entertainment by examining its potential, opportunities, and challenges. But before starting the video, be sure to smash the like button and subscribe so you never miss out on our upcoming videos. How cloud gaming transforms the gaming industry. Cloud gaming is revolutionizing the entertainment industry by breaking the boundaries of traditional gaming. It leverages powerful cloud servers to deliver high-quality gaming experiences directly to devices like smartphones, tablets, and low-end laptops. Unlike conventional gaming, where players rely on expensive hardware, cloud gaming only requires a stable internet connection. This paradigm shift not only democratizes gaming, but also redefines its place in the broader spectrum of entertainment. As technology evolves, cloud gaming is becoming a platform that integrates seamlessly with virtual reality, VR, augmented reality, AR, and interactive media. The question remains, is cloud gaming the ultimate future of entertainment? To answer this, we delve into its workings, benefits, challenges, and its transformative impact on the entertainment world. The global accessibility of cloud gaming. One of the biggest advantages of cloud gaming is its potential to reach a global audience. In regions where gaming consoles and high-performance PCs are out of reach for most households, cloud gaming serves as a bridge. By eliminating the need for costly hardware, it provides an entry point for gamers in developing countries. For instance, platforms like NVIDIA, GeForce Now, and Microsoft's Xbox Cloud Gaming are already expanding their reach in markets like India, Southeast Asia, and Africa. With affordable subscription models, cloud gaming is giving millions access to a world that was previously out of reach. Additionally, cross-platform compatibility ensures that gamers can enjoy their favorite titles on any device, be it a smartphone, tablet, or even a smart TV. This flexibility makes cloud gaming an inclusive solution for users with varied technological capabilities. Interactive storytelling and hybrid media experiences. Cloud gaming is bridging the gap between video games and other entertainment formats, such as movies and TV shows. Many game developers are now focusing on creating interactive stories that allow players to make decisions that shape the narrative. These hybrid experiences combine cinematic visuals with engaging gameplay, making them an appealing alternative to traditional passive entertainment. Consider the rise of games like The Quarry or Detroit Become Human, which offer complex branching narratives that feel like interactive films. With cloud gaming's ability to deliver high-quality graphics and real-time decision-making, such experiences are likely to become more common. Moreover, the integration of VR and AR technologies opens doors for entirely new forms of immersive entertainment. Imagine attending a virtual concert, walking through historical landmarks, or solving mysteries in a fully interactive virtual world, all powered by cloud gaming infrastructure. Challenges facing cloud gaming. Despite its many advantages, cloud gaming faces several significant challenges. The most prominent is the reliance on robust internet infrastructure. Streaming high-quality games requires not only fast download speeds, but also low latency. In regions with slow or unstable internet connections, cloud gaming can suffer from input lag, buffering, and poor visuals. Additionally, data consumption is a concern. Streaming games in 4K can use up to 15 gigabytes of data per hour, making it inaccessible to those with data caps or limited broadband plans. To overcome these hurdles, cloud gaming providers must collaborate with telecom companies to enhance internet infrastructure and make high-speed connectivity affordable for all. The environmental impact of cloud gaming. Another challenge is the environmental impact of cloud gaming. Massive data centers, which power these services, consume enormous amounts of energy, contributing significantly to carbon emissions. As the popularity of cloud gaming grows, the demand for energy will inevitably increase, raising concerns about its environmental sustainability. Leading companies like Google, Amazon, and Microsoft are taking proactive steps to address this issue. They are investing heavily in renewable energy projects and adopting energy-efficient technologies for their data centers. While these efforts are commendable, the entire gaming industry must collectively prioritize sustainability. Implementing green practices, such as carbon offset initiatives and energy optimization, is essential to reduce the ecological footprint of cloud gaming. By adopting a more environmentally conscious approach, the industry can ensure that the future of gaming remains innovative, accessible, and sustainable, without compromising the health of our planet. Advancements driving cloud gaming forward. The competition in the cloud gaming market is driving rapid innovation. Companies are advancements driving cloud gaming forward. Competition in the cloud gaming market is fueling rapid innovation, with companies introducing features like AI-based latency reduction, advanced compression algorithms, and enhanced server infrastructure. These improvements are making cloud gaming more reliable and accessible for users worldwide. Additionally, cloud gaming is increasingly integrating with live streaming platforms like Twitch and YouTube. This synergy allows players to seamlessly share their gameplay with audiences, blending gaming and entertainment. Such advancements not only improve user experience, but also expand the ecosystem, offering new opportunities for content creators and further pushing cloud gaming toward mainstream adoption in the entertainment industry. Opportunities for developers and creators. Cloud gaming presents transformative opportunities for game developers and content creators. By eliminating the reliance on physical game sales, the subscription-based model allows developers to reach broader audiences, reducing financial risks and encouraging creative freedom. Smaller studios in particular benefit from this model, as they can experiment with innovative concepts without the constraints of traditional publishing. This democratization of game development fuels a diverse range of gaming experiences. For content creators, cloud gaming is a game changer. Players can easily stream their gameplay live, host interactive sessions with fans, or collaborate with others in multiplayer settings. The ability to engage audiences directly and in real time creates a dynamic connection between creators and viewers. This integration of gaming, streaming, and social interaction fosters a vibrant ecosystem where creativity and community intersect, reshaping how games are developed, shared, and experienced across the globe. Is cloud gaming the future of entertainment? Cloud gaming holds transformative potential for the entertainment industry, with its ability to make gaming more accessible, innovative, and interconnected with other media. By eliminating the need for high-end hardware and offering a seamless experience across devices, it democratizes gaming for a global audience, making it a strong contender for shaping the future of entertainment. However, several obstacles stand in its way. Reliable and widespread internet infrastructure is crucial, as are solutions for managing data consumption and addressing environmental concerns. Moreover, cloud gaming must continue to evolve by delivering immersive, unique experiences that go beyond traditional gaming paradigms. If these challenges are overcome, cloud gaming could revolutionize not only how games are played, but also how people engage with entertainment, creating a new era of interactive, interconnected, and accessible media experiences for audiences worldwide. Cloud gaming is reshaping the entertainment landscape by making gaming more accessible, innovative, and inclusive. With its ability to deliver high-quality experiences on any device, it has opened up a new world of possibilities for players, developers, and creators. While challenges like internet connectivity and environmental concerns remain, ongoing advancements in technology and infrastructure are paving the way for a brighter future. As cloud gaming continues to evolve, it is poised to become a cornerstone of modern entertainment, offering immersive, interactive, and boundary-breaking experiences. Whether you're a casual gamer or a tech enthusiast, there's no denying that cloud gaming is a glimpse into the future of entertainment. Thank you guys for watching. If you want more videos like this, make sure to like the video and hit subscribe button, and we'll see you in the next video.